Hello, this is Cassandra Dean, and this is my PE monthly newsletter that I will send home to my students. My newsletter is called The Balance, and it is for the month of October 1st through the 31st of 2019. I discuss in my monthly newsletter what physical education is, what PE does for our students, and why we need physical education in our schools. I'm using the word fun to describe PE. It stands for fitness, understanding, and nutrition. The book that I chose for parents to read with their children is by Liz Rockwell, called The Busybody Book, and it discusses different physical activities that students can do and provides fitness for the young readers to understand and have fun with physical education. Shape America organization is sponsored by different corporations, and it is a nonprofit organization. And SHAPE stands for Society of Health and Physical Educators. And this organization is used to talk about health and physical education across the country to help our children in school and out of school to be more physically fit. And October is Breast Cancer Month, so I wanted to bring awareness to breast cancer. Again, my newsletter is called The Balance, and Choose My Plate is a government organization that discusses a healthy plate for parents and children. It should have fruits and vegetables and milk, a dairy product, or a nut milk, grains, meats, and beans, and it talks about the physical activity. I read the article that was on the California Department of Education website, which is another government website, and I looked at the PE content standards for children, and it discusses the vision and goals and instruction and assessment for physical education. And I also found a couple of articles on CNN Wire regarding why children need to move in school and how the fitness industry is making billions of dollars, but the government nor people are wanting to support physical education in school. But again, fitness centers, gyms, they're making billions of dollars because as people, we know we should be physically fit and we should eat healthy. I provided a 20-minute physical activity schedule that we will do in our PE class for Monday through Friday. And I highlighted in red the date that the children will be assessed. So again, the parents can have documentation that they can reference to know what their children are doing in physical education. I thought this was a great assignment, and I was very intrigued by the different articles, books, information that is available regarding physical education. And I do believe that we as a society all across the world, we need to be involved in making sure our children are being involved in physical activity, not just in school, but in the home also. Thank you, and I hope you have fun and enjoy physical education. I wanted to wrap up by showing you a picture at the back of my newsletter. And again, I'm hoping for a great year of physical education.